Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use the FCC app, full guide. Open the app and sign in so we can walk through core features together step by step. Start at the home screen, locate the menu icon, and follow each section as I guide you through submitting reports, checking alerts, and customizing your feed for relevant notifications and safety updates. To file a report, tap the report button and choose the right category before adding details, which helps reviewers act faster. Include clear photos and concise descriptions so your issue is easy to understand. Double-check contact info and allow the app to save a draft if you need more time. Follow up on submitted reports through your dashboard to track status and customize alerts to match your priorities by opening settings and selecting topics you care about, such as broadcasts or local updates. Choose notification types, sounds, and quiet hours so you only get interruptions that matter. Review privacy preferences to control what the app shares and saves, including location or usage data. Regularly update app permissions and check for settings changes after updates to keep your experience secure.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.